How to speak like Chinese native speakers. That's one tip you can't miss. Why sometimes the tone will change when speaking Chinese? You have come to the right channel. This is for you. 大家好，我是凯莉。Let's talk about under what circumstances the tone will change. Take out your notebook and write it down. How do you pronounce hello in Chinese? 你好。Why the pronunciation is so hard and troublesome? It seems Chinese people don't speak like that. We don't speak like that. Here, 你 should be changed to the second tone. In a phrase, when both characters are the third tone, the first character should be changed to the second tone. So, let's try one more time. 你好，你好。Better? Let's see a sentence. 你买了几本书？你买了几本书？ Here, 你 and 几 should be changed to the second tone. The neutral tone. Try to pronounce it slighter. Okay, now let's take a look the tone change of 不. 不 when stand alone is the fourth tone. Plus the fourth tone, 不, it should be changed to the second tone. For example, 不是，不是，不要，不要。And the pronunciation of the number 1 will be changed as well. Let's take a look. Let's look at the tone change of 一的变音变调。When 一 stand alone, it should pronounce as 一 the first tone. But when 一 plus the first tone or the second tone or the third tone, it should become the fourth tone, 一. Let's see some examples. 一天，一天。一 plus the first tone, so 一 should be changed to the fourth tone. 一天，一直，一直，一 plus the second tone. 一 should become the fourth tone. 一直，一直，一起，一起。一 plus the third tone, so 一 should become the fourth tone. 一起，一起。When 一 plus the fourth tone, 一 should change to the second tone, 一。For example, 一次，一次。When 一 appears in the telephone number, street number, we should pronounce to 幺，幺。For example, 110, 110. This is China's police number. 120, 120. This is China's ambulance call number. 119, 119. This is China's fire reporting number. Let's see one street number. 南京西路1358号。一 should pronounce as 1. 南京西路1358号。你学会了吗？ Remember, you can always go back to where you're shaky on. If you like this video, please hit the like button and forward to your friends so they can learn Chinese too. I will keep updating Chinese learning videos and videos about Chinese culture. So please do subscribe my channel and follow me on other social media platforms as well. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. To see more Chinese learning videos, please go to my website. I read all the comments, so please let me know what do you want to know about the Chinese culture or about the Chinese language. I will make new videos. Thank you for your support. See you next time. 再见。